Welcome to TechRazzle. In this video, we are going to learn about toJSON function in PySpark. toJSON converts each row of a data frame into a JSON string. Very simple and easy. It is often used when you need to serialize data or prepare it for APIs or downstream systems that accept JSON format. So we are going to go ahead and experiment right here. We have data. You can see right there. We have IDs here, name, country, and then we have a salary, and we have provided a list of the columns here, and then we created a data frame by using above data and the column definition. Now df will be created, and let's take a look on the df. That's our data frame, and before we will convert to the JSON, so it's a good idea to take a look on in the tabular form. So we have ID here, and then we have name, country, and salary. So there are total 4 rows here. They will be converted to the JSON. Each will be in a separate JSON string. Now how you will convert it? So we will provide the object here, and that's then JSON underscore RDD or whatever the name you want to give. Then you will provide that equal to dataframe dot toJSON, and that's the only part you will be doing here. Each row in your data frame is converted into a JSON formatted string. The result is not a data frame anymore, but an RDD, resilient distributed data set. Every element inside the RDD is a single JSON string, and that's representing one row. Now to print that, as it's not a data frame anymore, we cannot just simply go ahead and say like, hey, this object dot show. So we have to kind of loop through, because it has items, and we have to go through that collection of items and print that out. So I'm using for here, for loop, and then I'm saying item in this JSON dot JSON underscore RDD. That's the object right there, and then collection. So it is going to go through that collection and then get each item, then print that out for us. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to print the data frame as well as the JSON output. So right there, this is our data frame output, and now this is where you can see that each row is a JSON string. So you have ID and then equal to 1, and then name equal to Amir Shehzad, then country. So it is a JSON formatted row, and then you have second row, third row, and all that. So each row is converted to JSON. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.